Hello, Burlington Public Schools. It's Michelle Artizzoni, Digital Learning Coach, and I'm happy to be discussing with you the iPad feature of Safari Reader. Safari Reader is a feature that allows student iPads to read an online content article in a continuous, clutter-free view with no ads or distractions. Let's enter the Safari app and do a search for kind of a content page, not really an advertising page, and I'll show you just what this looks like to use Safari Reader. So here I'm researching for Maine black bears, and I found my website. So here my purpose might be for students to really focus on the content in the center of the page and not be distracted by what's around. So here I can tap on the AA in the upper left-hand corner, and that will give me a drop-down menu where I can choose Show Reader. And just by tapping on this, all of the extra columns on the left, right, and the headers at the top will disappear. And here you can see how I will just have a continuous content page. The student can increase the font or decrease by tapping on the smaller or larger letter A. I can also change my font as well as the background color, so that can be tailored to the student's needs. In order to shut off the reader, just tap on Hide Reader. Thank you again for your time looking at the Safari Reader and learning how you can customize student screens to focus just on the content that you're interested in. Thank you.